there's a third dial that was on the other side of the machine. That one is for the vertical seal bar back seal pressure. Basically, to make sure that's correct, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to back seal. I'm going to trigger this open close button. And what that's going to do is it's going to open and close this back seal bar. It's going to push it forward. As I press this button, you can see me trigger it. Now with it forward, I'm going to go to the other side. I'm going to make sure that it's at the right pressure. All right. It is at the correct pressure. So we want that to stay at 0.15.